All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still doing our grad camp method module. Now, I do have an update from yesterday. So the issue with the error was me and not the actual program. So we were able to run it this morning. Let me show you exactly what was going wrong with it. So this is for the first time I ran the actual program. And this is the summary that we ran on. So I was looking for the top activation in the actual code that we wrote. Top activation wasn't in the code, it was actually in the summary. So I located it here. As you can see, we have a top activation, none 88 2048. And as you can see, it's written with top underscore activation. The way I originally had it was just a top score space activation. So that's why we threw an error. So when I spotted it and realized that we were dealing with a top activation from the actual summary, I configured it differently, wrote it the right way, saved it, and ran everything. And as you can see here, it went all the way through. So we compiled our code using the top activation, and everything came out successfully. So it is working smoothly as it should. As you can see, everything did go all the way through to the end. We got our summary. This is the summary here. As you can see, the last thing we left off with was the summary. This is our summary here, the last thing in our compilation. So everything is back on track. And again, the issue was me and my typing and my spelling errors. But everything is fixed and moving forward. So we don't have to bypass anything, and we don't have to keep off chopping off chunks of code. So we can keep this in here and move forward. With that being said, we can start taking code and notes again. So we'll start that back up tomorrow. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.